This time we will make this beautiful shaped leaf of Romanian point lace. For work you need mat, 2 balls of yarn, ready cord, pins, scissors and crochet hook. Before we start, I recommend you to draw the shape of the leaf you want to make on the paper. Now make a cord of necessary length and join it in the round by sewing in the end together. You can follow the crochet cord tutorial 47 to learn how to make the exact same cord. Now we pin your cord to the pattern. Begin the work. First go along the cord to the first side loop you are going to begin to the work through. Now we begin the first row of Bracelet stitch. Insert the right needle from the bottom to the top through the next stitch. Hold the working thread below the needle and pull it through. Continue working in this way till the end of this row. Try to make all stitches to the same size. Let's make the one last stitch. With the needle go through the side loop of the opposite cord to secure the yarn. Now let's go down, work in the second row. Work one next stitch and every loop created before. Insert the needle into the next loop. Make sure that the thread runs below the needle, pull it through. All loops should be the same size. With the needle go through the stitch or a side loop on the with the needle go through the side loop of the opposite cord. So you should continue by yourself. You should fill it up in the same way as I showed you before. I'm about to complete the filling stitches. Make the next stitch and with the needle go through the side loop. With the needle go through the stitches along the cord. With the needle go through the stitches. The upper part is ready. In this case I use braids. First go along the cord to the first side loop you are going to begin the work through. Then to make foundation with a needle go through the side stitch of the one cord. Then through the side stitch on the opposite side. Make the second time. Continue working and rub this foundation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The first bride is ready. With the needle, go through the stitches along the cord. Make the second foundation, and with the needle go through the stitch to another cord and move down and wrapping all these foundation threads. Now begin the next bride at this point. With the needle, go through the side loop of this cord. I skip some stitches. Rub the stitch. I rub the threads. Continue wrapping the first foundation. The first bride is ready. Then you should make bride in the same way as I showed you in this video. We have made the branches for this sleeve. I remove all yarns along the cord. Let's take a look at the back side. Don't miss our new video tutorials on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.